Hello everyone, welcome to our Cambridge IGCSE Biology series on my Science Diary channel.
What is life? It sounds like a simple question, doesn't it? But for hundreds of years, scientists have tried to answer it. Is a seed alive? Yes, it is alive. Under the right conditions, it can grow, respire, and develop into a new plant. Is fire alive? Is a robot alive? Today we will begin exploring these fascinating questions. Okay, now you tell me what makes a dog alive? What makes a tree alive? Why isn't a car alive even though it moves?
And by the end of this lesson, you will be able to define biology, explain what life is, understand why biology is important, and recognize that all living organisms share certain characteristics and develop curiosity for the next episode. Before we begin studying cells, plants, animals, and the human body, let's ask a much bigger question: what is life? Take a look at these four things: a robot, a seed, a fire, a dog. Which of these is alive? If something moves, is it alive? If something grows, is it alive? If something doesn't move, is it dead? Let's investigate.
We study all of these things under the biology, and there are the certain characteristics that makes the living thing considered living.
Now, the question is, what is biology? Biology is the scientific study of life and living organisms. The word biology comes from the two Greek words bio and logy. Bio means life, and where the logy means study. Together, biology means the study of life.
Which are often called organism. So biology includes the study of humans, animals, plants, fungi, bacteria, and other microorganisms. In short, if it is alive or has been alive, biology helps us to understand it.
Why do we study biology? Because biology helps us understand ourselves, the plant and animal around us, disease, medicines, food production, and how we can protect our environment. Doctor, nurses, farmer, environmental scientists, veterinarians, and the researchers all use the biology every day.
So, why biology is important? It is important because it helps us to stay healthy by understanding disease, medicines, nutrition, and the human bodies.
Now let's return to our big question: what is life?
This is one of the biggest questions in biology. Interestingly, there is no single perfect definition of life that scientists universally agree on. Instead, biologists describe life by the characteristics that living organisms share. Life is the ability of an organism to grow, obtain energy, respond to its environment, reproduce, and carry out other essential life processes.
Scientists discovered that although living organisms look very different, they all share the seven important characteristics. To make this easier to remember, we use a mnemonic called Mrs. GREN. Each letter represents one characteristic of life. Don't worry if you don't remember all the letters yet, we will learn each one in detail in an upcoming lessons. But before we do that, let me introduce to one of the biology's greatest mystery. Imagine an animal with a duck bill, webbed feet, thick fur, and a broad tail. It lays eggs like a bird, but feeds its baby with milk like a mammal. So what is it? How did scientists solve these puzzles? We will uncover this fascinating story in our next episode. Until then, look around your home or school and ask yourself what makes something alive. See you in the next lesson.
If you don't want to miss any lessons, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Share this series with your friend and let's make biology simple, interesting, and fun. I will see you in the next episode. Until then, keep asking questions and keep exploring science.